you think of that?
All right, did you see what that guy just did?
He jumped out of a plane. How was
What? Are you ready to go skydiving?
Yeah.
Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
I'm alive. I'm healthy.
Yeah, well, you're ready to have some fun. We're ready to have some fun. Let's get it. Here we go. Woo-hoo!
Down. Look at the camera. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another one? Yes. Pull the left one down. All the way down. I'm not even going to touch it. Hold it there. Pull the right one down here. Go 180 this time. That's good. There's my right here.
All right, you just went skydiving. Tell me, how are you feeling?
Amazing, alive.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You gonna do that again someday?
Yeah.
You did awesome. Good high five.
What was your favorite part?
Jumping.
You like that jump, huh? You did absolutely wonderful. You killed it. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive, Colorado Springs.
Knuckles.
Woo!